Garth Douglas's field here, old-fashioned way of harvesting. Youngest man on the crew is about 65. They're gonna put this all through the equipment in Garth's yard. Lyle Douglas driving. Mr. Dunlop, Peter Dunlop, Jimmy Lindell, Gary McLean supervising from up top. Harvesting the old way in the paw of Manitoba, Rall's Island. Still loading here. Peter Dunlop and Jimmy Lindell helping out. Youngest man on the crew, I think, is 65. Getting closer. Quite a bit to go here yet. But Garth Douglas and Lyle Douglas got half the field done last night, so they'll get this all done here today. Garth is 81 years old, and he said he used to do this with a team of horses and get paid $8 a day. This method is called stooking. Garth stacked all this by himself. Usually you have about 6 Ukrainian kids following behind you to do this, but he said he couldn't find any. But he stacked it all, and it helps dry in the wind. They're going to throw it through the thresher on the other end. Garth Douglas just pulling up in the supervisor's truck. Check out the boys, see how they're doing. Well, supervisor, Garth Douglas, 81, local rancher in the paw, Rall's Island. How's it going? Good. Are you impressed with their effort so far? Yeah.
Getting quite a sweat on the crew here.
So a year of the equipment you're using on the other end, what is it? Make and model.
The separator's a case, 2847.
Yeah.
2846.
Okay.
It's a 1946 model.
Okay. Still in good shape?
Yeah, I had to do quite a bit of rebuilding on the bottom.
Yeah. Still good from the day it was made to, yeah?
Yeah.
Put it up against anything nowadays?
Anything nowadays.
Yeah. How much longer do you think you're going to be in this field here today?
Well, they quit loading there, I guess. Oh, we'll be here. Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like they're going to go quit.
Yeah, I think they can't put too much more on there right now. Okay, we'll see you at the other end.
All right.
Here come the boys. Second load of the day. Garth Douglas coming up behind. Lyle Douglas on tractor duty. Stopped. Oh, there he goes again. In the trailer, Gary McLean, Jimmy Lindell, Peter Dunlop laying down. Garth Douglas supervising from behind here. This load now goes to the other end, a couple minutes away. and they'll start working.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Did you, what did you say about half wages about these guys?
You're going to cut them off half wages, only half load.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what's next here in the process?
I'm going to start her up and put her through.
Okay. So Garth, how's it going? Do you think it's going well?
Oh yeah, really good.
Just like the old days? Are the boys earning their keep?
Oh, a little slack, but we can straighten that out.
So how many more trips you figure you got to go?
There should be 2 out there if everything's loading, half load like that.
So you're done by the end of the day?
That'll be it, yeah. Oh, it's only not that funny.
And that's all she wrote. A couple more loads. They're going to be done out in the field. Garth Douglas is in Manitoba, Rall Island on October 5th, I believe it is, 2020. Might be October 6th. Featuring Gary McLean, Jimmy Lindell, Peter Dunlop. Got Donnie Lindell here supervising. Lyle Douglas on tractor patrol. And the supervisor of supervisors, Garth Douglas. So, what do you think, boss?
Another $1.
Okay. That's the end of it, folks.